In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Elementor templates that will transform your website design with ease and efficiency. If you're new to Elementor or even if you're an old hand looking to spruce up your design toolkit, this guide will walk you through the process of finding and installing the perfect templates to enhance your website building experience. Let's begin by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center for all things related to your WordPress website. Once you're there, look to the left-hand side where you'll find a variety of options. You'll want to scroll down and locate the Templates section. You'll see it listed there, right along with the other built-in options. Clicking on Templates will take you to the area where you can manage all your current and future designs. Now that you're in the Templates section, you'll want to hit the Add New option. This button is typically found near the top of the page and allows you to create or import new templates into your Elementor library. Once you select Add New, a pop-up will appear prompting you to choose what type of template you need. You can select from page, section, header, footer, and more. For now, let's choose Page, as it's a common choice for creating full web page templates. Upon choosing your preferred template type, you'll notice an option to insert or import an existing template. Go ahead and select Insert. This action will direct you to the Elementor library, the wonderland of beautifully crafted templates at your disposal. In the Elementor library, you'll be met with a plethora of design choices. You can scroll through these options to find a style that speaks to your website's personality, or you can use the search bar to streamline your hunt for the ideal template using keywords related to your niche or needs. Once you've found a template that's perfect for your website's aesthetics, it's as simple as clicking the Insert button found on the template itself. By doing this, you're loading the design into your Elementor editor, allowing you to gain full access to customize and make the template your own. Customizing the template involves altering text, images, and other elements to match your brand's unique identity and voice. With Elementor's intuitive drag and drop feature, even a beginner can tweak these templates effortlessly. Don't forget to save your work frequently. You can do this by clicking the Save button, ensuring that your hard work is securely stored. It might be helpful to preview your design before going live. You'll find this option in the bottom panel of Elementor. It lets you see how your website will look on desktop and mobile, ensuring all aspects are pixel perfect. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily import and utilize Elementor templates to create stunning and efficient designs for your website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!